Okay, so the first thing I want to review, when you go to Unbox it, they have the miter saw under compression with a zip tie. So whenever I cut the zip tie, nearly busted my my chin wide open. If you're gonna get one, before you cut the zip tie, make sure you have downward pressure on the saw handle. I mean, it really, I'll show you what I mean. It was like this. Like when I cut it, it was like right up, almost broke my teeth. So anyways, that's the first thing I want to tell you, is be careful with the zip ties when you cut it. Okay, I'm going to show you what it comes with. It comes with the bag. You got your bag you got to attach. You have this. I don't know what that is. Clamp. Some kind of clamp. I don't know. 2 metal bars. So first, okay, I'm going to unpackage. I'm going to get rid of that styrofoam in the middle and put the bag on. Okay, so I read the instructions. It's actually very simple. I'm going to assemble it right in front of you to show you how easy it is. First, this just comes right. That's so easy. Goes like that. And this goes in here. Clamp for your wood. This is a feeder. So that goes in here. Oh, they got a screw in there. So that's not going to work. Alright, cut. Okay, real quick, this feeder has a screw right there. You're going to need a screwdriver to undo it right here. Bar up. This. Okay, so if you want to put these screws in, it's hard. You got to get underneath it. You know, you got to get under this thing. I didn't realize that Allen wrench is included. So you just screw this in right here, like this. Screw that in. Just tighten it wherever you want it, you know. That way it doesn't fall out. Okay, that's good enough. So you do the same thing on the other side, and this puppy's ready to roll. It's hard doing this kind of. Okay, first I'm going to cut a 2x10 real quick. You gotta have the saw plugged in to make me look like a. Okay, I'm gonna cut a 2x10 here. Very nice. Wow, I'm very impressed. Like a knife through butter. I'm gonna show you a 2x12 real quick. Okay, I'm cutting a 2x12. Very nice. Very nice, very smooth. I love it. Cut like it was nothing. Very quick, just gonna show you that it can do angles. Okay, watch this. There we go. Angle. No problem. Go back to 0. Oh, it clicks right in on 0. That's nice. My other saw doesn't do that. Diagonal. There you have it. It seems well made. It cut nice. It adjusts easy. I don't know. I'll give it an A rating. I'll give it an A because it's cheap and it's doing its job. Now, we'll see how it holds up over time. Real quick, just wanted to do a quick update on our Ryobi. This saw has been working great. I cut more wood on this thing in the last 6 months than most people would do in a whole lifetime. It's holding up great. I've been hitting the cutting hard. So I'm going to do a couple cuts, show you how great it's still cutting. My only complaint so far really is the laser. Doesn't really do a great job. I'll show you that right now. So there's the power button for it right there. So turn it on. Show you. It may not be as bad as I'm making it sound, but look what, I don't know. That's not too bad, right? As you can see, I just missed my line by a little bit. But like I said, this thing's still cutting strong. So I'm giving it, for the price, can't beat it. Giving it a thumbs up, baby. Okay, another thing that's pretty cool about this saw is right now the sun's starting to go down and you can see the laser light. It looks pretty cool. I just thought, I don't know, check that out. It's pretty cool. Hey, don't you think that's pretty cool, the way the saw looks, Aaron?
Are you done filming?
I'm filming, but I'm asking you, doesn't that saw look really cool right now?
Yes.
Okay. Very cool.